Ali and I welcome you all to Radioactive Engineer, the only YouTube channel that guides you about electrical engineering problems. So as you all know, the world is nowadays facing the coronavirus pandemic. I've seen many people lighting up candles and praying, and maybe we would be running out of candles also. Who knows? And recently my birthday passed and I didn't even celebrate my birthday. That was because all of the markets were closed due to the lockdown and quarantine stuff. But I'll make sure that
You won't miss your birthday celebrations.
because of this lockdown. As an electrical engineer, I created a solution. I don't know what to call it.
Maybe electrical candle?
Maybe electronic candle.
Yeah, so let's see how it's made. Let's begin. Oh wait. Let me demonstrate you what I made. So this is a circuit I made in which I used the 555 timer IC in the bistable mode, and I've explained the bistable mode of 555 timer in another video. Let me show you how it works. See here. I just lit up the electronic candle using the flame. Here's the circuit diagram. This circuit uses 555 timer IC. I personally kind of invented this circuit just for you guys so that you guys don't miss any of your birthdays. So here the 555 timer IC works in the bistable mode. I've replaced the set button with a thermistor of the negative temperature coefficient, and its value was 10K, and here's the schematic. So what happens is whenever this thermistor senses any flame across it, it decreases its resistance. So the voltage of pin 2 decreases because of this voltage divider configuration of this thermistor and this 1K resistor. And whenever the voltage reaches its nominal value, it turns the LED on, and whenever you want it, you can turn it off by resetting it. And please don't worry, I upload every of the schematic in my Facebook page, and its link is in the description below. Please have a look. So to make this project, we would need a 555 timer IC, a thermistor, an LED, some resistors, some batteries, and a Vero board. Let's do it! And please remember to make this project on breadboard first, because if your prototype is having some issues, it's better to resolve it in the breadboard version. that's it. I hope you've learned something new from this video, and please, this is not the practical version of this circuit. I just created it a few moments before, and I thought why not to share it with you guys, because sharing is caring, guys, you know. Please take care. Feel free to share this video with your friends, and please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. This would encourage me a lot to make some new stuff. See now how much mess I've made in creating a single video. It's a tiresome job, guys. I need your support. Please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe. And yeah, take care and bye.
Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it! Some people dream of success while you're gonna wake up and work hard at it. Nothing is impossible.